Okay, I've got pretty much everything ready to pull the tub off the frame. Don't mind the evap canister, that's going to go with the tub, no big deal. Bell crank's disconnected, and of course, you know, Klooge just isn't happy unless he's peeing on the floor. But yeah, now it's just a matter of getting the tub off, scrubbing everything down, and doing a good inspection. The firewall doesn't look bad. Actually, the firewall looks pretty darn good. The only bad spots are like here on the support area, and the same thing over on the other side with the support area. The rest of it's just surface rust. This can be fixed, no problem. Let's see, right now aircraft remover is soaking in. I was not cheap with it. Got to figure out how to get this bad boy out. I think the screws are stuck in there somewhere. Not sure exactly where. But yeah, looking at everything in here, the worst spots, like I said, the firewall looks really good. Transmission tunnel looks really good. The worst spots are going to be on the floorboards, the floor line, and of course the hinge supports. Because we can see out here, here's what's left of the floor line, and the back side of the hinge support there. Back side of the hinge support there. And again, this is minor. I need to finish stripping that. I don't know what all's behind there, but I know there was plenty of Bondo there, so I stopped because it was basically turning into a choking cloud. This all needs to be replaced, and of course the rear quarter panel is going to be replaced. I'm going to put a YJ gate in here, so it looks like this was already kind of being set up for a YJ gate, because there's the upper support, and you can sort of see the lower support in there. I think that's what those two bolts are. There's a fair bit of rust on this side. This side's not bad, that's all surface rust. The part that's a pain in the butt are the screws for the rear seat. I got one good hole, two good holes. The rest, I'm going to have to figure out how to clear out. I've been trying to drill that one out, and it is just stubborn. It does not want to come undone. But got to do the same thing with that one, and the same thing with that one. But you can see where they tried to just kind of scooch things forward a little bit. You know, like the new holes there, new holes there, up there, and up there. Oh, and when it comes to these supports, you can see that one's pretty much useless. But I'll be cleaning all these out, and I'll be taking these supports out and actually putting in the B pillars, which started, I guess, in 1981 or 82, when they went to the regular door, the actual striker pins. These I'm going to hold on to. Eric bought them for me. He got a set too. But yeah, I'm actually going to put real honest to goodness B pillars in here once I get all of the floor pans squared away. Obviously that's going to be fun. But Brother Greg is going to come out and help me next weekend get the tub off the frame. I've already removed all of the body mounts. It's just a matter of picking it up and moving it to one side or the other, and sticking it on some sawhorses. There's stuff that I need to refurb, rehab. Same thing with the heater box. I cleaned it up a little bit today, but it still needs a lot of work. I found a video online on YouTube where a guy went through and did a complete rebuild, so I'm going to have to find that and watch it again and see if I can get parts for it. But there's old Bug Eye. And there it is. There he is, peeing on the floor again. Nah, that's just paint stripper. Yep, there's the Saginaw steering box. All the boots and everything are going to have to be replaced. They are toast. And this is a bit concerning. The vent hole for the differential, wide open, looks like it's got some mud caked in there, so that's probably got its own ecosystem growing in there, so I'm going to have to pull that apart. But if you look, you can see a dividing line, that dark line with its dark above and light below. That's flood. This thing sat in a flood for a while. So that could explain some of the damage. But yeah, this is all going to get piano hinged anyway. So Brother Eric is talking about putting some kind of Unreal Tournament logo with a K in it for Klooge in there. But yeah, you can see the back side of the hinge pillar. This sheet metal should be pretty easy to actually replace if I just cut this out. Cut it out, shape new sheet metal, weld it in. But we'll see. We'll see how things go. Alrighty, that's it for now.